believe it or not, this sneaky catfishing side hustle gets local businesses to pay you thousands in deposits, allowing you to make money anywhere in the world without even showing your face. And you could even start today. How you guys doing? My name is Andy, and I'm not here to bore you, sell you anything, or show you flashy cars or any of that nonsense. I'm going to show you what worked for me and over 400 plus others since 2021, and then get back to finding cheap eggs. I'm an introvert, which means I'm common sense smart, but laugh at my own damn jokes. I'm a college dropout and have had to learn the hard way from every single life mistake. I found a way to take years of good office jobs and telemarketing as a kid to change my life and my family's life without selling my soul or feet pics. I've been selling stuff on Craigslist since the mid-2000s, and back in 2014 or so, an ex-girlfriend of mine told me about a site called Fiverr. Who would have thought back then I could use those two sites to live the life I enjoy right now? I won't BS you. This isn't rocket science, nor will I wait to the end of this video before revealing the big secret. I hate those kinds of videos. I post ads on Craigslist as a big-time design and marketing agency, charge a nice fee, then outsource all the work to freelancers in different countries and pocket the rest as pure profit. So what is it? Outsourcing. And why is it the best side hustle? First, you get paid instantly in lump sums. Second, it's easy to find clients. Third, all you have to do is act as a project manager overseeing each project, which is really just relaying messages. Fourth, when you deliver good work, clients keep coming back and you put them on a monthly retainer ranging from $600 to $11,000. And lastly, fifth, 99% of my clients never have seen my damn face. I catfish them all. Clients have absolutely no idea I'm not the web designer, a graphic illustrator, digital marketer, video editor, SEO specialist, or social media pro. I could be whoever the hell I want to be over the phone or email and simply sound like the right pro they're looking for. Remember that old MTV Catfish show that was funny as hell, especially at the end with the big reveal and you saw the actual person? Well, it's kind of like the same, except I'm not madly in love nor fugly. I created an online side hustle course called Side Hustle Ninja Pro that allows average people with basic email and phone aptitude to get clients from all over the country and then outsource the work from freelancer platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to execute the jobs at a high level. The profits can be as small as $250 for you to pay your electric bill or an $8,000 monthly retainer on the first day of every month just from one client for social media management. And guess what? The funny part is the $250 profit can be a simple logo design that you charge your client $400 initially, and then you can pay a social media marketer $1,600 in Albania and pocket $6,200 from that $8,000 monthly retainer client. Either way, one's life, amount of freedom, and time increases drastically quicker than most other side hustles. And speaking of other side hustles, I've dipped and dabbled with a few from wholesaling real estate and drop shipping. Some of my friends go crazy when they lose their crypto, or people that sell those generic ass courses for $29.99 that 3,000 other people are selling on Instagram. Regardless what your side hustle is, different strokes for different folks, as they say, but this is something that people do not speak about as much, as it's not sexy like some AI chatbot or big crypto play. But I prefer something that makes immediate cash while the learning curve is next to non-existent. I mean, think about it really. You create a well-designed ad on Craigslist and sit back and wait for the replies to roll in. So say out of 3 responses, 2 are flaked, but 1 you closed the deal on and it's for a small job. This client, she needs a custom 3D logo animation for $850. Well, I found my freelancer who wanted $400. I negotiated him down to $250, and just like that, I made $600 from a simple $5 Craigslist ad. Yes, this is a small example, but a $600 profit is still half of the average worker's weekly salary for work you aren't even doing. Now imagine you invest in yourself with a course that gives you all the tools to start closing these and much bigger $4,000 deals within just 30 to 90 days and lays the blueprint for you to scale up within 6 months. Is that not worth it? Oh, you're not the sales type? No biggie, most people, especially introverts just like myself, aren't natural at sales either. This is why I created the ultimate 9-to-5 killer Q&A cheat sheet right here. I know it's a cheesy name, but wait till I show you what it is. It's basically all the typical questions and answers clients will ask you and questions you need to ask them to sound like a rock star design agency owner over the phone or email so you could get the client to want to do business with you. Also, I included the definitions for each niche, the lingo and subgenres so you appear knowledgeable, as well as the typical price ranges for beginners so you know what to charge for each service. Now, that's what I call a real cheat sheet and a side hustle tool that will help you kill your 9-to-5 job. It has all the top niches clients will need projects for, such as video editing, website design, apparel design, social media marketing, illustrations, search engine optimization, sales funnels, and more. And to top it off, with each niche, I even included an actual client request email so you could see for yourself how these project requests come in. No other online course on the market gives that much transparency and real life detail without buying the full course. I went the extra mile because having someone tell you the pathway is one thing, but to actually have the ability to see the real clients' deals as they come in via email is a game changer. I feel many will benefit from. Here are a few of my top performing students and the vacations they treated themselves and their families to once they found their groove. I really hope I didn't bore you. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see some of you taking the next step. You'll find all the links you need to get started in the video's description. Simply have a look and change your future.